Hello guys, earlier we talked about the motors and the drivers. Now that we're getting close to the assembly stage, I decided to buy more motors and more drivers. Let's take an entry look at our driver. Now let's take a look at the motor. We have already seen this motor in the previous videos. For more accurate angle measurements, I bought an AS5600 magnetic rotary position sensor. Let's take a look at it. It comes with a magnet like this. I also bought STM32 and STM8.